The big day has arrived.
Great. I'm a little nervous and also very excited for my new hip.
The surgery is only 1 hour, but be prepared for an all-day event. You are going to be meeting a lot of people. Your family can stay with you as you get changed and wait for surgery. This pre-op nurse will start IV and go through your chart to make sure everything looks good. This is your anesthesiologist. They will make sure you're comfortable and completely asleep during the surgery. You will receive either general anesthesia or a spinal. They will discuss this decision with you before the surgery. This is the operating room nurse. They will be overseeing the room while your surgeon is focused on performing surgery. Now I come by 15 minutes before the surgery to say hello and mark the site of surgery. I will answer questions, and now it's time for us to head off for surgery. Give a kiss to your family. Now your family is going to be watching the clock while you're in surgery. Let me give a very general timeline. Anesthesia takes 30 minutes. Prepping for surgery takes 20 minutes. Surgery takes 60 to 90 minutes. Waking up from surgery takes 20 minutes. Recovery room takes 60 minutes.